Chinese icebreaking research vessel contacted iceberg in the Antarctic. Chinese icebreaking research vessel XUE LONG contacted iceberg on Jan 19 in the Antarctic, being there with 35 Antarctic expedition. Collision took place in a dense fog in Amundsen Sea. Vessel reportedly didn't sustain any serious damages except superficial damages on foredeck, like dented railing. Some 400 cubic meters of ice fell down onto foredeck. XUE LONG continues its expedition. Icebreaking research vessel XUE LONG, IMO 8,877,899, GT 15,352, built 1993, China, complement, 34 crew, 128 passengers or researcher.